A weak pilot signal in your Bradford White water heater means the pilot light struggles to ignite or stay lit, preventing the main burner from heating your water. The pilot light's job is to ignite the main gas burner, providing the heat necessary for warming the water. Let's examine the key components involved. In normal operation, the pilot light creates a small flame that ignites the main burner when heat is needed. The thermocouple is a safety device that senses the pilot flame. When heated by the flame, it generates an electrical signal that allows the gas valve to open. A faulty or poorly positioned thermocouple won't generate enough signal to keep the gas valve open, resulting in a weak pilot signal. Several factors can cause a weak pilot signal. The most common include a faulty thermocouple, gas valve problems, blocked air inlets, or a dirty pilot assembly. Newer Bradford White models may display error codes to help diagnose these problems, making troubleshooting more efficient. The first troubleshooting step is to check if the pilot light is lit. If it's not, you'll need to safely relight it following proper procedures. Next, inspect and clean the pilot assembly. Carbon deposits and debris can restrict the pilot flame, causing weak ignition. The thermocouple is critical for pilot operation. It must be properly positioned in the pilot flame and free of soot buildup to generate adequate signal. Test the gas valve using a multimeter. The resistance should read between 11 and 13 ohms. Readings outside this range indicate a faulty valve that needs replacement. Check for blockages in the air inlet screen and venting system. Clear any dirt, dust, or restrictions from jacket slot openings and clean the flame arrestor plate. If problems persist after these troubleshooting steps, consult a qualified technician. Bradford White products are designed for professional installation and may require expert diagnosis for complex issues.